Allow me to extend our profound appreciation to His Excellency the President, to you, Right Honorable Speaker, the executive and the legislative arm of government which the two of you head, and the people of Uganda for supporting the reform agenda of the Ugandan judiciary. I also extend my appreciation to our development partners, justice program institutions, civil society organizations, and the media fraternity for your indispensable contribution to the administration of justice in this country.
Our ideology and patriotism and Pan-Africanism enabled us to build a strong Uganda in this turbulent region.
So the only exception to the fear which you took oath is the fear of the Lord. So when you are adjudicating, fear no man, fear no public opinion. If you go by your conscience, fear the wrath of the Lord God, in whose name and on whose behalf you are rendering this justice.
When you are making decisions or making laws, you must make the laws as if it was being interpreted by your worst enemy. That is also the wisdom in Henrik Ibsen's statement, the strongest person in the world is one who stands alone. In other words, at critical moments in history, it is critical that you stand for that which is good and right, because it was always good to be good and right at all times. And I believe that the judiciary of any country has that duty.
Congratulations on your conference. I now declare the 26th Judges Conference open, signed by Yoweri Kaguta Museveni, the President of the Republic of Uganda.